Hey mama, are you interested in using a baby wrap, but you're feeling super intimidated by all the extra fabric and being able to secure it properly? If so, you're gonna wanna stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down how to put this baby wrap on in 6 simple steps that take less than a minute. Coming up. Hey there and welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new here, my name's Nicole. I'm a mama. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist as well as an intentional parenting coach. And this channel's geared to just make motherhood easier on you. So I'm sharing tips, strategies, tools that I've either learned through life experience or through my formal training, just to help make motherhood easier on you. So if that sounds like something you're into, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button below. All right, guys, so let's jump into this, baby wearing. I know that I was super intimidated with Kai and I didn't even bother with one of your typical wraps. This time around, I'm starting baby wearing much earlier and it's going much better. And I must admit that of all of the different types of carriers I've tried, the baby wrap or using a wrap has been my favorite thus far. So for those of you who might be feeling intimidated as I was my first time around, I want to share how I throw this thing on in 6 simple steps so that you feel less intimidated to give it a try. All right, let's jump into it. Okay, you guys, so today I'm using the Sully baby wrap, which I love. It's very, very soft and wonderful. You're gonna look for the tag on this particular wrap because they put it dead center and it's gonna make your life super easy. So I find dead center, I place it right around my stomach, right above my belly button, and I take both sides and I do a cross in the back. So I'm basically just wrapping it around my waist and I have the ends of the fabric and I have an X on my back. Okay, now I'm going to take both ends of the fabric and place them around my shoulders. And I'm just smoothing out the fabric here to make sure I don't have any twist because it's gonna make your life a lot easier as you continue on with the other steps. So I've got both ends of the fabric and now I'm going to take the very ends of both sides and I'm going to stick them in the band that I've created around my belly. So just push them through and then you're gonna pull both ends taut. So I've got the band around my belly and I've got the 2 pieces of fabric around my shoulder. Now you're gonna wanna create an X right there with both ends, create an X. And this is where you're gonna wanna make this cross tight, because this is gonna dictate how tight your baby is in your wrap. So again, I'm crossing behind at my back again. And if you feel like your baby's too loose, you're gonna wanna come back to this step and make it a bit tighter if you desire. And now again, I'm just crossing in the front and securing it with a little knot. It's seriously that simple, you guys. And again, this front belly band is going to secure all of baby, so legs all the way up to the neck. And then these cross in the front of your chest is where you're gonna stick one leg in of babies and the other leg in of babies. And then you're gonna wrap baby up with those extra pieces of fabric. And then that last piece just gets secured over all of baby. So I'll show you guys what that looks like with me actually putting Naya in a baby wrap. All right, guys, so here I have my other Sully baby wrap on, the beautiful green color. I'm gonna show you guys how I place baby Naya inside the baby wrap, all on my own. You can also do this seated if you like, in a reclined position. It kind of frees up your hands a bit more, but I've had enough practice where I can do it standing. So again, one leg is gonna go in. You're gonna start with a piece of fabric that is closest to your chest. So I've got one leg in and then I'm using the rest of the fabric to wrap over her bottom and her back. Then the second leg is gonna go in. And again, I'm just straightening her out and spreading the fabric out so it's secure over her bottom all the way up to her back. Get her nice and snug, make sure her hips and her legs are even and in good position. Then you're gonna take that belly strap, which was the first cross that we made, and bring it up over the feet, the legs, the bottom, all the way up the back to the neck. And that is it, you guys. Again, so you can pull up that belly strap a little higher if you want. You can even use one of the chest straps to place baby's head inside for head and neck control. Naya doesn't love it when I do this, as you can see, so I leave her head out. But you can use either side of those straps to sort of secure their head. All right, you guys, that's how simple it is. As I mentioned before, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. And also, if you haven't checked out my video that details the benefits of baby wrapping or baby wearing, check it out. I will link it in the description box below, because if you're on the fence about this, after you watch that video, I promise you're gonna wanna try baby wearing or baby wrapping, because there are so many great benefits, like decreasing the chances of postpartum depression, decreasing crying. It's amazing. So check it out. It's in the description box below. And I hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you in the very next one. Bye.